you've been charged with a crime in the City of Ypsilanti, your case will be heard at the 14A-2 District Court. The judge in this court is Judge Tabbey. This particular court has two prosecutors that are most common: the Washtenaw County Prosecutor's Office and the City of Ypsilanti Prosecutor. Common offenses I see in this court are drunk driving offenses, driving while license suspended, minor possession cases, possession of marijuana cases, and a number of reckless and careless driving cases. The one thing that all of these cases have in common is they have two paths. My clients always take two paths in their cases. The first being the path of negotiation. How can we resolve your case, set goals, and achieve those goals? Some goals may be dismissal of charges, a reduction in charges, avoiding jail time, saving a driver's license. Ultimately, my clients will explore those issues, and what I've done is I've put together the Ann Arbor Criminal Defense Playbook. It's a comprehensive guide to Washtenaw County. In this particular book, I discuss different charges at the Ypsilanti court that I've handled in the past, different approaches for Judge Tabbey and the prosecutors involved, ultimately selecting the choice that you want to go forward with if we can achieve those goals. The other path is the path of litigation. Looking at your case through the information gathering stage, the police reports, the audio, the video, the testing results, different statements made by witnesses, to see if your case is a case that's suitable for a trial. I tell my clients if there's a defense there, we should go to trial. Sometimes clients say, well, we can accomplish my goals in another manner, and that's ultimately up to the client, but we have to explore the issue of trial. What we may be able to do is have certain evidence suppressed along the way. If there was a constitutional violation of your rights and evidence was obtained in an illegal fashion, we may be able to have that evidence suppressed, ultimately leading to a dismissal of charges. So what I do as a former prosecutor in New York City and here in Michigan is I look at the case from two sides, as a prosecutor and as your attorney, evaluating the strengths and weaknesses of both of these options. Ultimately, in the end, the client selects the path they want to go forward with. What I'm looking for is motivated clients that put onto my program and help them with their case, guide them along the way, get them to the end of the case, and ultimately have a satisfied client. I'm very selective in the cases that I agree to take on. I'm looking for clients that are willing to work hard to ultimately sprint in order to avoid the marathon. That marathon may be a criminal record, it may mean going to jail, it may mean loss of license. So if you're willing to work hard in the beginning of your case and during your case, we may be able to avoid those ultimate consequences that could be game changers. So if you're someone who's been charged with a crime, or someone who you love or care about has been charged with a crime, I encourage you to contact me. We could talk about the case, talk about the different responsibilities in your life right now that if a criminal record or going to jail could certainly interfere with. I look forward to helping you. I look forward to educating you about your case, setting goals, and ultimately achieving those goals with you with my comprehensive plan.